Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to type the currency sign in MS Word. So first open your Microsoft Word, and if you want to type a symbol or a sign that is not in your keyboard, you can always go to the equation or symbol option. So it's in the Insert tab and in the Symbols option. Click on this symbol icon, and if you see the currency symbol right in this area, then it's good. Otherwise, click on more symbols. It will open in this window. So you just need to set this font to the home, and here you need to set the subset in a Latin first supplement. So after you set the subset to Latin first, you will see the currency sign just right there. After you click on the currency sign, click on Insert and close. You will see the currency sign on the screen. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.